Alright, welcome back once more, guys. And today we are dealing with questions related to motion under gravity. And the question goes this way. What is the maximum height a ball of mass 2 kg will reach if shot upward with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second? So we are looking for the height, h, which is unknown. And what are we given? We are given the initial velocity u to be 10 meters per second. What again can we find out from this? Remember, this is an object going upwards. When an object is going upward, at the maximum height or the maximum level it can reach, its final velocity v is 0 meter per second. And acceleration due to gravity g is always 10 meter per second squared. So which equation of motion here under gravity would we make use of? I think for us to solve this, we will make use of v squared is equal to u squared, this time around minus, because it is going upward, minus 2gh. So we are looking for h. So let's substitute our given values. Our v we know is what? 0. Final velocity is equal to, initial velocity is 10 squared minus 2 times, acceleration due to gravity is what? 10 times h. And this will become 100 minus 20. 2 times 10 is what? 20. 20 times h is h, 20h. So making this the subject of the equation, minus 20h crosses over. It becomes 20h is equal to 100. We divide both sides by 20. 0 we cancel 0. 2 we go into 10 what? 5. Therefore, it will take 5 meters. So the maximum height that object, that is 2 kg, can reach when shot up with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second is 5 meters. Bye.